Build trust in your digital channels and verify customer IDs in real time with NetVerify from JUMIO. NetVerify ID verification uses artificial intelligence, computer vision, and ID experts to determine in minutes if a driver's license or passport is authentic and belongs to the user. NetVerify can help you create a seamless customer experience by easily integrating ID verification into your customer onboarding process. Reduce fraud exposure by detecting fake or fraudulent IDs in seconds. Convert customers faster with error-proof image capture. Quickly verify the ID documents you need to successfully onboard new employees. Achieve age verification requirements with great accuracy. And demonstrate due diligence and comply with increasing KYC, AML, and GDPR mandates. Do all of this while meeting your need for a real-time customer ID verification solution that can plug right into your existing processes. Here's how it works. Customers scan their ID document using the built-in camera on their smartphone or computer. NetVerify automatically and accurately extracts data from the ID document. NetVerify then checks the ID against security features using computer vision, AI, and machine learning. JUMIO's ID experts also step in to ensure fast and accurate results, so good customers don't get turned away. NetVerify ID verification is used by leading brands across industries to build trust and achieve real-time ID verification online. Find out how JUMIO's NetVerify can help your business. Visit JUMIO.com to learn more.